Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up CarPlay Subaru Crosstrek. Start your Crosstrek, enable Bluetooth, unlock your phone, and plug into the USB port labeled for data. Follow prompts on the head unit to allow CarPlay and set permissions. If wireless pairing is supported, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and accept prompts on both devices. Finish by organizing apps and adjusting display and voice settings for safer driving. Begin with a reliable cable and connect your phone to the Subaru USB port. The head unit will display a prompt to enable CarPlay. Tap Allow and confirm on your phone. If a phone request appears, grant access to contacts and messages so Siri and navigation can function. Test maps and music to verify. If the connection fails, unplug, restart both devices, and retry the process with the same steps. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup hands-free while you tweak settings, and it even avoids cables so you can test CarPlay without tripping. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For wireless CarPlay, put the Crosstrek into pairing mode via the head unit settings and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone. Select the vehicle from the phone's available devices and accept pairing requests on both screens. You may need to enter a PIN shown on the head unit. After pairing, CarPlay should connect automatically when you enter the vehicle, but check phone settings to prevent sleep or battery saver from interrupting the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.